Augment is so freaking good, honestly. It is a machine. But sometimes it messes up, just like all these tools. So yeah, I'm in between Claude Code and Augment Code right now. I don't really know why more people are talking about Augment Code, to be honest. It's so valuable. Cheers for the gift, appreciate it. I think I'm gonna have to switch music actually so this doesn't crash. One sec. Keep the questions coming, guys, and I will answer them. I just want to. So I'm streaming on YouTube. For those of you who are only on TikTok, and I just want to make sure my stream doesn't crash. So I'm gonna switch over to Spotify real quick. I can already hear it's glitchy. So it's important to have an index base for the project. Where should the index be stored? So we're talking about indexing. What's really happening is the agent is looking at the entire code base. I believe it's in real time. Don't quote me on it. I need to double check. But it's looking through all of the changes that happen in real time. It's constantly indexing the code base so that it can see everything that's going on rather than just a small portion. Yeah, you can absolutely, let's get this out of the way, you can absolutely launch a mobile app or a SaaS company with vibe coding or AI coding. Yeah, 100%. The reason why most people fail is because they don't have enough technical knowledge on development in general. Like my advantage is I was programming before I started using these AI tools. And so, you know, I'm kind of looking at this and I can guide it in the right direction and get to it faster. I know what I'm looking for, essentially. If you're a complete beginner, you've never even heard of Visual Studio Code, or, you know, if I ask you about how does a React component work, if you can't answer that, you're going to find it a little bit harder initially. You just got to practice. Like, I think my first proper SaaS was launched after I failed about 15 projects, and I spent like crazy hours on each one, and it was kind of almost heartbreaking each time. I just got to a point where I was like, I can't go any further, I've got too many problems, I've messed up with this, I need to redo the entire build. And I launched a few that we had users paying for and it kind of just dropped off. So yeah, it takes time. But there's too many people right now who are just overhyping it. Like, you can build your own app in 24 hours, have it live in the App Store, and have $10,000 a month coming. Like, that's complete bullshit. You still have to grind to build an app, just like a developer would. But you are 100 times more productive because of this AI tool. It looks like we have fixed this issue as well, which is good. What am I doing? So right now, I'm building a new SaaS product. So right now, it's like an AI SEO article writer. And what I'm actually doing is converting it into more of an LLM optimized article generator. So essentially, think of like Profound, if you've ever heard of that. Try profound.com. I want to be like those guys, but be doing way better. Doing the optimization, the analytics, the whole lot. What language am I coding in? This project is in Next.js. C Sharp, backend. Nice, man. What are you building? Let me show you my other SAAS code view. It's in beta at the moment, but this product was 100% vibe coded. It's basically an AI legal tool. So you can chat to it, you can get documents created. I've got like a revenue share agreement I gave it that was produced by a lawyer, and it's analyzed it. It's given me a bunch of like clauses to review. You can store things in matters. It's got a voice assistant. It's got team functionality. Obviously, Stripe, the whole lot. And this was vibe coded. And then I've got it plugged into a couple of tools that do code reviews, and they look for vulnerabilities. That gets passed back to Augment Code or Cursor, and we fix it. 100% vibe coded. Well, apart from like maybe 5 changes I made myself, like manually with code. It's been a headache. Like I almost gave up on the project probably about 7 times. You can see the number of commits I've done. I've done 1,002 commits in this project to get it to where it is. So many commits. Obviously, I've got Python for the agent. I'm using like LangChain, and then yeah, the rest of it's like TypeScript. What else can I show you on here? Look how many documents I have. Like, this is a mess, I'm not gonna lie. I've just been smashing it out. I need to tie this up. But look, I have like documents for everything. And whenever I need to do something like a major fix or a major issue, I get it to essentially analyze the code, and then kind of come up with how to do it, how to fix it, and then it goes by it step by step. So let me show you an example, like AI chat improvements. I just want to make sure I don't have any things in here that shouldn't show. One sec. This isn't even loading. Check this out. So it literally audits, right? So I've got AI running AI and training AI all at the same time. This is the type of stuff you can do now. It's just mind-blowing. I think developers have been replaced already. But they are moving, basically software development is different, or is becoming a lot different to how it used to be. But people that just don't want to admit that AI is doing a better job and is more efficient at coding than a manual developer are the ones in major denial who are going to be left behind and going to be out of a job. Like, you've got to adapt. Is this Cursor? So I do use Cursor. As of right now, I'm using Augment Code inside of Visual Studio. AI for e-commerce. Yeah, I mean, there's a ton of use cases. Let me move this. I'll adjust my microphone. There we go. AI is badass coding team next to you, and you're the manager running things like never before. 100%, man. I don't know. I don't think AI will replace real developers in 5 years. My opinion. So, to give you context, right? I've spent probably, I want to say like closer to 3,000 hours now, like vibe coding using AI to code. I was previously programming myself, so full stack. And what I noticed was, at first, AI was just doing a terrible job. So I started out using like Replit and Lovable, and these tools were crap. They would go in their own direction and would just write really bad code. And then Cursor became popular. I switched to Cursor, and I had a lot of issues for like probably 3 months of vibe coding where I just have really clunky projects and just bad practices. And so I was also thinking, well, developers are going to be in a job for a long time, and actually like DevOps is going to become really big because loads of vibe coders will get hacked. And then for the last like maybe 30 days, it kind of hit me that shit, like developers are actually kind of already being replaced now. Like if you know how to use these tools correctly, you know, this is doing the job of like multiple developers if you have it set up like that. And I don't think developers are going to lose their jobs, but I think they are going to have a reduction in salary, like massively, because the cost to code and program is like coming down. And so it's going to be developers who are like creative and good at multiple things and really utilize AI that are going to become so valuable. Like an entrepreneurial developer who's good at sales, I think is going to be so valuable and in a job for a long time, because they can literally be vibe coding, guiding the agent in the right way, building a really cool product, whilst also being able to speak to the users, do the sales, like do everything else. I feel like there's going to be this new name for it. It's going to be like builder. A few people have been talking about it, the term like builder. That's what these people are going to become. That's what I'm doing right now. Like, you know, this product I built right here, like I said before, I think I've wrote like 5 lines of code, something like that. Yeah, everything else is really good. Got a fully functional dashboard, payment integration, knowledge base, voice assistant, team functionality, history, support. I've got like microservices for each function. Full stack builder, exactly. I think that's like the term. Software developer, I don't think it's going to be much of a thing within the next like 2 years, maybe even sooner. This stuff is just ramping up too quickly. I mean, look, Augment Code have now got remote agents, so it will literally work in the cloud whilst you're working on this. How many people have used your product here? So the one I just showed you, I've got 10 people using it, but that's because I haven't pushed it. This product right here, which is also vibe coded, we've had 5,000 users. All vibe coded. It went viral on Reddit and TikTok. So basically you can see who your partner's following on social media. And when you put in your username, so if I put mine, like this, it asks you to register. You create an account. Once you create an account, you can then do one search. And what will happen is it will have like half your following, well, it's about 70% of your following and followers of the person you enter are hidden. And you have to click on reveal and you have to pay to reveal. So we've had 5,000 users since, I think, December. And we've barely promoted it. It's just on Reddit and TikTok. And this was vibe coded. And the craziest part was, I had someone reach out to me on TikTok on my other channel. It was like, I got this product, it's made 60K. This guy literally had this type of product, he was making 60K a month. That's what he claimed. And I thought, okay, well, if you're making 60K a month from something like this, I'm just gonna copy and just try it myself and do a better job of marketing. And yeah, the numbers don't lie. And this tool, by the way, is so passive. Like, I've got a guy right now who's paid 42 times. I don't want to show Stripe because I don't really know how to hide all the customer emails. But this one guy has paid it for it 42 times. He's like an absolute psycho, checking out who his girlfriend is following. And I've done nothing. Like, I'm waking up every day and people have paid for it. It's fucking crazy. You think a lot of them are lying? Who's lying? All these vibe coders are lying. There are people out there who are lying, who are overhyping it. that's kind of my goal with TikTok, is to show you that you can actually do this vibe coding and build products. I'm not selling a course. The only way I make money out of TikTok potentially is either you guys try a product that I build, or you come to me and you say, hey, I need investment, or I've got an idea and I'm waiting to build it. That's literally how I would make money, because I would take equity. My main thing is this. Let me show you. So I have like a holding company. It's kind of like an incubator. We've got a bunch of startups. Obviously the AI legal tool, the cheating app, a bunch of others. I've got a tax rebate business. So I have no reason to overhype these AI tools. You tried Claude Opus and they just don't seem to do anything useful. What are you trying to do? Because like I've seen the opposite. It'd be interesting to understand your context. Like I was the same at one point until I spent enough time, and then it kind of just like hit me on how to be really efficient. So yeah, I'd be curious to know. Well, I just finished building a fully functional app, which I could. How could I show you? Because I'm on my phone. I'll try and find a way to bring it up. Yeah, I'm from the UK. You work for Sky. Interesting. Are you a front end developer or full stack or what? Right, guys, let me go back to these comments. What am I building in? This project you see open right now is like an AI SEO tool. So, yeah, building it in Next.js. One sec. Obviously, right now I'm using Augment Code and Claude Code, but right now what you see is Augment Code. One second. So like the repo for this project, right? I've only done 96 commits because it was previously working, but it was clunky as fuck. And so if I show the commits, just to kind of give you an idea, come on, why are you being so slow? I want to be careful because I'm streaming on YouTube, and then I also have my iMac is just struggling at the moment with RAM. It's like I started this with actually refactoring the entire project, fixed so many issues. Actually, let me go further back. Yeah, like, well, this goes even further. So yeah, it was last week. I had this complete WordGen v2 refactoring and build fixes. I had like material UI dependency issues. This was actually built in Replit originally. Then we downloaded the code, and it was honestly, Augment Code for doing this was so impressive. Like it took a bunch of patience, but it ended up working. Yeah, try Next.js with this. I'm not sure about Rust. You're an expert developer, you have a task from a user, you must plan and then execute the best approach to resolve the issue. See, I don't really start a project like that. I'll see if I can find an example. I think I've got a brief somewhere that I could show you for this. Like for me, what's working is I go really heavy on unit tests. So as it's building a feature, it has the unit tests, it runs them, and so you can then see whether it's doing the right job or not. And if it isn't, if there's any errors, it fixes it. I'm using Codacy and CodeRabbit to do code reviews as well, and so that sends feedback directly into Cursor. And then like your example just then, let's say I want to upgrade my article generation tool. I'll give it a basic prompt, but the prompt ends in, I want you to create a comprehensive plan on how you will implement this, things to consider, a checklist, like priorities. And then when it fixes something, it creates these types of documents. And it literally explains the fix. It's super detailed. Right, and this is just for fixing a article generation issue. Rollback plan, next steps. And so because you're using Augment Code, like it's always indexing all of this. Three blue, one browns video.